Alright guys, we have a GE dryer here. You have a fuse. Now some dryers will have a fuse in the back. It's a 30 amp fuse. Now you can check your fuse at where your timer is in case your dryer is not starting. You push the start button and nothing. You can test it. So this fuse is good. So I'll just give you an idea. It should beep. Okay, so this fuse is good. Not sure why it's not beeping. So this fuse is bad. I thought this fuse was good. Okay, so let's take it all the way out. If I'm not mistaken, this fuse was good. Now you gotta be careful when you're testing a bad fuse on metal. So you wanna test it on something like that, because the metal will give you a false reading. Yeah, nothing. Just one more time. Okay. All right, guys, so the fuse is dead. Oh, good Lord. All right, let's get that fuse off. Okay, so let's say your dryer is tucked against the wall, or you want to be able to check the fuse back here. So just keep in mind, this wire goes there. The fuse is going to be there. The fuse is bad. And now this one will be here. So the circuit is now completed. So the power comes in, goes through this wire, goes through the fuse, and goes up to the timer, which is this red. It's beeping. So that's the wire. So you could pretty much check your fuse from here. I think, yep, see that yellow? That's the neutral. He also should be up here. So this yellow should have continuity at the moment. There it is. So, in theory, you could check your fuse from the yellow and the red on the back of your timer. And if you don't have continuity, it means your fuse is bad. So, I'll demonstrate. All right, so to test the fuse, to see if the fuse is good, or to see if you're getting continuity, obviously our fuse is bad. Up top, you're dealing with the neutral, which is the yellow and the red. So in theory, to complete the circuit, you would basically do this, okay? We're touching the neutral and this. That's how it works. So basically, this would be here. And your fuse is going to be there. Your other connection is here. Route it under. And then you would complete the circuit. This would be tied back in, and the fuse, once the fuse is in, the circuit is completed. Right now we don't have a fuse, so basically what is going on is this gets fed. And last but not least, let's say for example, it's late and you fixed the issue in the door or wherever the short was that caused this fuse to blow. You can take this out of circuit. You disconnect this wire, and this one going here, you'd put it here, and then reconnect this, and everything should work just as fine. Many GEs now don't have that fuse, but since it's there, it's a safety thing. Fix the short, because if you don't fix the short, you're not going to solve anything. You're going to be destroying the wires, eventually tripping the breaker, maybe even causing a fire. Do it right. So, in fact, all you got to do, remove this one and take this one off. Bring it over here. Connect that. Make sure it's tight. If it's loose, crimp it down a little bit, make it more snug. And then you can leave this here like this just for now until you can replace the fuse. Just tuck it away, leave it alone, and the dryer should be good to go. But if the issue of the blown fuse is not fixed, you might trip your breaker or you might burn those wires and you're not going to be fixing anything. All right, thanks for watching.